Hello all, welcome to JS Sashing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in our Playwright series. Okay, this video we are going to see one topic called as tracing in Playwright. Okay, normally we capture logs in right in the cell world of Selenium automation, right, and we take screenshots. Okay, so all this can be done right with one concept called as tracing here. Okay, so tracing, we can take screenshots, we can take snapshots. Okay, what is the difference between screenshot and snapshot? Screenshot will take only the particular, the entire the view, right, it's going to take. Snapshot is going to capture the picture of the entire page. Okay, and it's going to take the capture, trace the right before and after screenshot also it will be captured. Then it will take the logs also will be captured, like what time, date it executed, how many seconds is executed. So everything can be captured with the help of this tracing. Okay, so let's start writing the code for this one. Let me create a new class. Let me create a class here. Okay, let me create a class and a package here. Okay, now I'll create a main method here. Okay, and I'll write the code for the creating an instance of a playwright. Okay, so initializing and telling the that I'm just going to use the playwright here. Okay, then I'm telling which browser to use, and I'm going to use chromium method and launch browser, and browser type I'm going to use it as a Chrome browser. Okay, and I'm going to set as a headless browser. This we are seeing from the last 10 videos. We are seeing this one. Okay, so I'm just going to launch options, set headless. I'm going to run in headless mode. Then I'm right, that is false and true, and channel right browser is going to be Chrome here. Okay, I'm storing it a reference called as launch. Then I'm creating a new page here. Okay, then before that I'll add a new context. In the last three videos we are seeing the new context here. New context we saw for switching from one session to another session, we saw, right. So this we are going to see capturing as tracing, right, for tracing the page, right, or capturing the screenshot. We can use this new context also. Okay, so we also saw new context for authenticating also, hope you remember in the last video. Okay, so I'm going to use a method called as tracing here. New context, start tracing. Then I'm going to start options. I'm going to start telling that you start tracing now. Okay, so I'm going to start tracing now. I'm going to use tracing dot, okay, start options. I'm just telling start tracing, and in the options I'm going to give dot set the screenshot. So we are, I'm just telling start tracing, capture the screenshot, and also start like just taking the snapshot also. Okay, set screenshot to means take a screenshot and take a snapshot also. So as I told you, snapshot will take for the entire page, screenshot will just take only the view, the current view. Okay, now let me go, right, do whatever functionality I want to do. First I'll new page, I'll open a new page. Okay, then in a new page I'll go and do some operations, whatever I want to do. For that I need to navigate to an URL. I'll take the same orange HRM, I'll take it. Okay, first, right, I'll copy this one, paste it. Okay, and I need to give username, password, and okay, but let me go to the previous code and copy it instead of writing. Okay, we are doing for past some 3 4 videos, right? Then I'll use this one. Okay, let me go to the video record script. Here I use it. I'm just going to use right, copy this code for entering username, password, and clicking a submit button. Please watch the previous video. Okay, I'm going to paste it. Okay, so I entered username, that is admin. I entered password, that is admin123, and click this. We wrote in the previous video. We use the locator method to locate a particular element in a page. Okay, so I entered username, password, and the right, submit button. Okay, let me go and first manually enter the login. Okay, we need to click the admin page also. I'll take an XPath for that. We are tracing all these things. We are going to trace all these things. Okay, I'll take an XPath for clicking the admin link. New page dot locator and admin link. Click. Okay, well then will it's enough now. We need to stop the trace. Okay, we need to stop the trace. Okay, so we'll go new context. We started the trace. I'm telling stop the trace. New context dot tracing dot stop. Okay, then new keyword tracing dot stop options. As we started, we have need to stop it. Okay, stop options, then set the path of the screenshot and the snapshot, where the path needs to be set, where it should be saved. We are telling the path of saving the screenshot and the snapshot. Okay, this will extract as a zip file and save it. Okay, for example, right, let me change, instead of picture, let me take screenshots. Orange, orange, HRM, screenshots. Okay, screenshot, so it will capture the screenshot, snapshot, and the logs and keep in the screenshot zip folder. Okay, then I need to close it. Now close the browser. Okay, let me run the code now. It launch the browser, launch the URL, enter username, enter password, then it close the browser. Let me refresh the project. So you got a folder now, orange HRM, screenshot zip, where it has all the screenshots and snapshots captured in the log file. We need to open this. For opening this, we have to go to this that Playwright official site. Okay, we need to go to the Playwright's official site, where we have Playwright Trace Viewer. We have a link, right, that we need to click and select the zip file from the folder for viewing the screenshots and the snapshots. Okay, so go to this Playwright viewer official site. Okay, and select the zip file which we captured and open it. Okay, now you can see all the screenshot and the snapshots here. Okay, it will take the screenshot here and the snapshot here, both you will see. And you can also see, the snapshot. This is snapshot where you can scroll down. See, right? Screenshot, you'll see only the single view. For a snapshot, we can scroll down the entire page and see, you can see right hand side, right? What date, time executed, how much seconds is executed, what is the locator used, parameter used, okay, and what is the URL used. Everything can be clearly see, and before and after screenshot also it will be shown. Before, what is a precondition, what is a post condition, those screenshots also will be captured here. Before entering the username, after entering the username, before entering the password and after entering the password, everything will be captured in a step by step manner. That is one beautiful thing in the Playwright option with help of this tracing. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this and continue to follow the series. Slowly we'll go to the framework level. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye.